Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we are going to have a look at how NAPA code, which is used in Office 365 and SharePoint Online, can be used in SharePoint Server to help in faster coding as well as support intelligence. If you are a quick JavaScript coder and you're getting tired of contacting the administrators to get the app installed, this tutorial will help you. First, let's have a look at NAPA. NAPA is a wonderful tool from Office 365 Microsoft, which is helping in faster development SharePoint Online. You would have to download it by going to your SharePoint Online site. If you do not have one, you can easily create one by subscribing for a free trial version from Microsoft for Office 365. And then you need to create your developer site by going to the admin section. Once your developer site, for that you can create your private site collection. Once your developer site is created, you can log into your developer site. This is a demo developer site created through the site admin. Next, you need to install NAPA. For that, you go to site contents and click add an app. Then go to the SharePoint store and give a search for NAPA, or it's available here, NAPA Office. This is the tool you would have to install. Click that, click add it, and after that, trust it. It's installed. All you have to do is click the NAPA Office 365 development tool. And from here, you can happily click add a new project, choose the name of the project, click create, and this wonderful interface comes up. If you see, has a very simple set of codes. One for default.aspx, which is the one which displays your content. For example, in this app, we want to display the logged in username of the SharePoint site. Next we have the client webpart.aspx, and other than that, we have the scripts which contains the app.js, and this is where we'll be having the code. And the cool thing is we have the intelligence feature installed here. You can directly code here for making changes. Let's try putting a dot. Wow, the intelligence feature comes up. Now this way we can do development in SharePoint Online. But what about SharePoint Server? I could not find a way to install NAPA in SharePoint Server yet. So a quicker way is to just have a look at these files. So what was done was we can just note down these two files, default.axpx, client webpart.aspx, app.js, and after that we have the content app.cs. All these files are all we need. If you want, there's an option to export this to Visual Studio or share your project. Instead of publishing, let's now simply, if you want to run, you can run directly from here. There's an option to open in Visual Studio. Let's click that. And let's choose to download it. We are downloading it in a local folder. And next, what we will do is we'll go to that folder. We have downloaded it in a folder called Node NEPA. We'll extract the contents here. And we will just take out the files which we only need. We will take the files app.cs, then we'll take the files client webpart.aspx and default.aspx. And in the scripts, we will take only app.js and reference.js. These are the files which we need. And for the demo purpose, it has already been placed here. So these are the files we need: reference.js, app.cs, app.js, and client webpart.aspx. And if we open the file, let's just open it in Notepad. If you see, we need to make minor changes to change the path. We are just putting in the current path itself, so just change the path, remove the scripts folder. I once second. In the downloaded file, go to the source tag for app.js and remove the scripts and dot dot. Similarly, do the same for app.cs. And save the file. Open the client webpart.aspx and please remove the / content also and just reference to the app.cs in the current folder. Now let's just have a look at how the folder structure will be. So we'll have a folder called basics. You can name the folder whichever you want, and we'll just have the files underscore references.js, app.cs, app.js, client webpart.aspx, and default.aspx. And your code will be changed from here. In this example, if you have a look, we are merely using sp.clientContext.getCurrent and displaying the current username. If you are a frequent coder in CSOM, this will be very helpful. All you have to do is make the changes in the app.js file and upload them to the SharePoint site collection. Let's go ahead to the site collection. Here it's already created. We can create a new new document library or a new folder in a library called CSOM apps, and we can upload these files underscore references, app.cs, app.js, client webpart, and default.aspx. And once these files are uploaded, all you have to do is simply click default.aspx. And wow, I could get an app running without any deployment in Visual Studio. It was so quick, and it displays the username hello Gatford, the current username. And you can happily enjoy the similar development experience in SharePoint Online, even on a server, by merely uploading these files. Happy SharePointing and coding. Thank you.